Noise.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I took my trip up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah.
Nothing like you, they don't make them like you. Nothing like you, no, they ain't built like you.
What's up, K babes? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chrissy K. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. So today this video is sponsored by Hot Beauty Hair. They recently sent me their hottest selling wig right now, which is the rose curl bob wig. The length of the wig is 8 inches and it comes in the color natural black. This wig you can dye it, but I won't be dyeing it in this video. It is also 100% human hair. This is how the box looks at the top. It came with a bow on it, but I messed it up and I ripped the bow off by mistake when I was opening the package. But inside the box, it comes with the hair, which is in this packaging. And then they give you a cap. I already took out one of the caps and put it on my head. And it comes with this packaging. Inside the packaging, it comes with 2 clips. It comes with 2 clips, bobby pins, edge brush, tweezer, and a band. The only thing you'll need today is this, and it comes with this as well, a pick, which is very convenient because you will definitely need this to achieve the look that you want, because I like my hair to look big. So okay, and now I'm going to show you guys the hair. It comes in this little packy, which is so convenient. So when you guys are done with your hair, you guys can put it back in this little baggie. And it's very good for traveling purposes. If you don't decide to put your wig in this, you can also put other items in it. So I love these little baggies when they send me these bags. The retail price for this wig is $119. And this company does offer Afterpay. So if you guys want to try to do that, that is an option as well. I personally love using Afterpay because it allows you to just not spend all that money all at once, which I never like to do. So this is how the wig looks fresh out of the box. When they said they were gonna send me this wig, I really wanted to see one, because they said it's like the hot selling wig right now. So I wanted to see like what the hype was about. And also this reminds me of my real hair when I do like my flexi rod sets on them. So I wanted to see if this was gonna look the exact same way or if it was gonna look like too wiggy, because I don't like things that look too wiggy. Y'all know I only promote things on my channel that I will actually wear myself. So hopefully I'm gonna let you guys know if this is worth it or not. So I was just a little confused just now. So this is the back. So where the tongue thing is right here, that's the back. And then this is the front. This is what the front looks like. So what you're gonna do is take this, and if you guys hear anything in the background, that's my little brother, Lord knows. Okay, so you're gonna take this right here, pull it to the back, and pull it just like y'all. I don't know. Let me just trust the process. I'm gonna pull my pick out, because right now this is not giving what I thought it was supposed to be giving. But usually, honestly though, like when I do my flexi rod sets, this is how my hair looks at first until I start picking it out. So okay, let's see. I'm gonna start picking it out. Start picking it, y'all, because right now it's giving curly soup. Okay, so I think the key to this is to make it look real messy. If you make it look real messy, it's gonna be how you want it to be. So just comb the curls out like you would normally do with your natural hair. This is definitely natural girl hair friendly. Like I could see myself wearing this with like certain different looks. Like this is definitely natural girl hair friendly. So this is giving me like roller set curls day 3. Like I love it. I really like this. This does remind me of my hair. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, please go follow me on Instagram and y'all go look at the picture that I did with my flexi rod set, and y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Y'all gonna be like, oh dang, this does look just like her hair. Like it really looks like my hair, and it's so full, so soft. Like this is cute. This is a vibe. I really can pull this off and be like, oh, this is my hair. Like stop playing with me, y'all. This is really a vibe. All the hair coming down in the front. Like the only thing I think I have to do is like, you know, shape it a little bit to frame my face. But other than that, like I really like it. This is a vibe. So I definitely feel like this is worth the purchase. I really like this. I see what the hype is about. It's just the fact that you don't have to put glue or anything on your hair, and it still gives like this realistic curl. This is definitely like a realistic curl. This is definitely like a curly rod set, and I really like it. I definitely feel like you guys should purchase this, especially for my natural hair girls. Like if you know, don't want to put glue or anything on your hair, this is definitely it. I will be wearing this until I get my hair done again, because this is a really cute style. I love this. I honestly didn't see, at first I was like, what is the hype about? Like why everybody's buying this wig? But this is really like a really nice wig to have, because it's so realistic. It looks like your hair, and it's just giving like natural hair vibes, and everybody's like on this natural wave right now, so it's definitely worth the hype. So if you guys want to purchase this, all the information will be down in the description box below. Also, I will have a coupon code down below as well. I think it's going to be 15% off for this wig, and like I said, this wig is only $119. Like you can't beat that price. $119 is a very good price for a wig, and also you can use Afterpay on their website, so make sure you guys utilize that, because like I said, Afterpay is a very good program to use. So this is going to be the end of the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you like this video if you guys want to see more hair reviews, because I haven't done hair reviews in a while. But if you guys want to see more reviews like this, make sure you put that down below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Nothing like you, don't make them like you. Nothing like you, no, they ain't built like you.